kasalatan, for example po sa 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9, "But you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood." Dito po kinuha yung priesthood of all believers, lahat ng mananampalataya, priest. Ibig sabihin, walang laity na para bang, ordinaryong tao. Lahat tayo priest, lahat tayo special. A holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praises of Him who called you out of darkness into His wonderful light. Revelation chapter 1 verse 6, "And He has made us to be a kingdom and priest." Ginawa tayong mga pari sa Kanyang Diyos at Ama, to serve His God and Father. So, all Christians are God's priest. Kaya mga kapatid, iba-iba lang tayo ng sanctuary o iba-iba lang tayo ng altar. Yung iba nangangaral, gamit yung pulpito, naglilingkod sa Panginoon, gamit yung pulpito, nagbubuklat ng Biblia.